Here we go again with the Crest 8600. This time we're going to show it with 5 blades. I'm not too fond of this idea, but I don't think it should be as bad as 1 blade, because it's not going to run as fast. There was an overwhelming amount of requests to show this with 1 blade with the light hanging from the wires. And I'm not going to do that. That kind of falls into the category of just completely ridiculous and unreasonable. However, I will do that with a different fan, just not this one, because I like this one and I don't want it to break. Okay, the singular blade has been removed. I almost just fell. That's great. Not sure where the best angle for this is. Probably lower down, at least for the thumbnail. So we can get a good thumbnail of this ridiculous configuration. Tripod is not letting me lower this down anymore. There it goes. Okay, there's the thumbnail. And let's turn it on. I don't know if it's on high or low on the fan. Looks like it might be on high on the chain. This is low on the wall, the control. What is all this dirt on the wall? The wall is all dirty by the telephone. That's kind of weird. Marks all over this wall. What the heck? Probably from trying to get stuff in and out of the attic, I guess. Alright, so that seems to be up to speed now. Is that high or low on the chain? I think that might have been low on the chain. I can't tell. The motor doesn't hum much with less of the load on it. Yeah, it's going fast now. That must have been low, so I think this is now medium. And I suspect that point of equilibrium will be a little bit faster than it was with 1 blade. So far, this has been pretty reasonable. But I don't think that that will last. I think this is soon to become kind of unreasonable. I wouldn't really expect this to push much more air than it was before, but it kind of seems like it's pushing a little bit more air. Okay, now I'll go up to high on the chain but low on the wall. Okay, we're going to go up to medium on the wall. And things are going to start to get a little dodgy here. It might get better as it speeds up. I'm not sure. The light is all tightened up, so it shouldn't fall. Okay, here's the high. Oh gosh. Yeah, the fan itself isn't shaking all that bad. It's the stupid light that's the problem. I don't want it to come loose again. Oh, it just came loose again. Now I have to do busted light part 2. Well, there it was. There's the 5 blades. And that is the last of the out of balance configurations I'm willing to show on this fan. It's just too dodgy. Now this series did get a ridiculous amount of views, so inherently this is the kind of material that people are after right now. And that's fine. I can keep filming videos like this, but it's not going to be with this particular fan. It's going to be with a piece of junk fan that doesn't matter if it breaks. Yep, I got to fix the light again. Dang it. Oh, I think that the screwdriver is still upstairs, so I'll just take care of that right after this video. We'll do Busted Light, the sequel. It didn't break as bad this time, but it's still pretty loose. Looser than it should be.